Yo, Stock Informer crew, let's pump up the volume. Today, we're diving into a hot Yahoo Finance article from July 25, 2025 about the stock market climbing close to all-time highs, with big moves from Tesla, Intel, and trade deals lighting up Wall Street. We're keeping it so simple, it's like explaining your favorite game, anyone can get it. Let's jump in. Imagine the stock market like a giant playground where stocks are kids racing to the top. Today, the S&P 500, tracked by SPY, is at 635.974, up 0.19%. The Dow, via DIA, is at 447.387, up 0.2%, and the Nasdaq, with KELD, is at 123.351, just above flat. These big indexes are like the coolest slides, inching higher after a week of wins, thanks to a US-Japan trade deal. Tesla, at 304.556, and Alphabet, at 190.336, are part of the action, but Intel's stealing the spotlight with a big drop. The article says stocks are pausing after a wild run where the S&P 500 and Nasdaq hit record closes 4 days in a row. Why? A US-Japan trade deal sparked excitement, making everyone think more deals are coming before an August 1st tariff deadline. Tariffs are like extra fees on stuff from other countries, and President Trump's pushing for deals to keep them low. He even visited the Federal Reserve, checking out their fancy $5 billion renovation, and said he's not planning to fire the Fed boss, which calmed everyone down. But here's the juicy part. Intel, ticker INT, dropped nearly 6% to $20.49 after its earnings. They beat sales guesses with $12.86 billion, but their profit was weak, and they're cutting 15% of their workers and canceling some factory plans in Europe to save money. Meanwhile, Centene, a health insurance company, fell 10% after a surprise loss, and Deckers Outdoor, the maker of UGG boots, jumped 12% because of awesome sales. Oil prices are steady, even with talk of more oil from Venezuela, and Alphabet's doing great with AI-powered Google search. This market's like a roller coaster, teaching us how earnings and trade news move stocks. Want more stock smarts? Hit the link in the description for our starter kit. Stock Informer fam, you loving these market vibes? Drop a comment, smash that like, and subscribe for daily stock heat. Let's keep learning. Peace out.